this broadcast with the latest coming in from the all-party meeting that has been convened by the government ahead of the winter session of Parliament. The meeting is underway and we're getting to know that the opposition is likely to rake up various issues, including the special intensive revision of electoral rolls, the Delhi blast and also foreign policy matters. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju and his deputy Arjun Ram Meghwal are representing the government at the meeting. The opposition is being represented by Jairam Ramesh, Gaurav Gogoi, Pramod Tiwari. From the DMK, it's TR Balu. From the TMC, it's Derek O'Brien. And from the IUML, it's E.T. Mohammad Bashir. Union Minister J.P. Nadda, who's also leader of the House in the Rajya Sabha, is part of the meeting. Manoj Jha of the RJD, Harsimrat Kaur of the Shiromani Akali Dal, Sanjay Jha of JDU are also attending this meeting. This is a customary meeting ahead of every session, winter session of Parliament. It has been convened to ensure that Parliament functions smoothly. The House is not disrupted during the session. Many new bills are expected to be introduced in this session. The winter session is commencing from tomorrow and it will conclude on the 19th of this month. But ahead of the winter session, there is a message that Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju is giving. And this is the message of staying cool, of allowing a debate and discussion on pressing matters. Listen in.
आज ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग है। अभी हम सारे दल के जो नेता हैं सबके साथ बैठेंगे, उनके सुनेंगे। आज तो सरकार की ओर से हम ज़्यादा कुछ कहने का नहीं है। हम सिर्फ बिजनेस और टोटल कितने दिन है और कितना सेशन चलेगा उसका हम बताएंगे। बाकी तो अपोजिशन पार्टी का हम सुनना है। शाम को बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी मीटिंग है। 4 बजे लोकसभा का है, 5 बजे राज्यसभा का है। और क्योंकि ये शीतकालीन है, विंटर सेशन है, ठंडा दिमाग से सब काम करें और ज़्यादा गर्मा गर्म बहस ना हो, ये हम उम्मीद करते हैं। वैसे तो बहस तो होगा पार्लियामेंट में, मगर डिस्ट्रप्शन ना हो। हाँ, तो विंटर सेशन है, थोड़ा ठंडा दिमाग से काम करेंगे तो देश का फायदा है और पार्लियामेंट का सेशन भी अच्छी तरह से चलेगी।
My colleague Pragya is joining me live on this broadcast. Pragya, the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister is sending out an appeal. He is saying that it's a winter session, तो सब लोग थोड़ा ठंडे दिमाग से काम करें, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मा गर्मी ना हो. Yes, there's going to be heated debates on pressing matters, but there should be no disruption. You are tracking every update that's taking place currently. What's happening in that all-party meeting?
Well, Sagarika, the all-party meeting has already been convened and it is being chaired by Mr. Rajnath Singh. You rightly said that there is an appeal by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiren Rijiju to be level-headed while ensuring that the Parliament will function smoothly. But this is also a request and appeal that he has been making for quite some time. Yours now, I would say, and in fact this is not being heeded by the opposition at all. Even last session was also a washout. This session also, it looks like SIR is going to be the issue. In fact, when we spoke to Mr. Jairam Ramesh and also Mr. Ram Gopal Yadav, he said that there is no issue other than SIR. It looks like the opposition is adamant that they are going to raise SIR as an issue, and in fact the call that has been made by the Congress leader Mr. Pramod Tiwari, saying that democracy looks to be in danger, under threat. This is going to be the underlining theme of the opposition parties, and in fact they are going to discuss this. They must be discussing this inside. We'll get to know when once all of them comes out and the all-party meeting is over.
Right.
But having said that, there are very important bills that are to be tabled in this winter session, including atomic power energy bill, of which Prime Minister spoke of recently when he said that we need to open up this sector, nuclear power sector, for private players so that we will achieve a target of 100 gigawatt by 2047, thereby strengthening our nuclear power sector as well. But there is also higher education commission bill, of which opposition right now is saying that it should be sent to a select committee or a joint parliamentary committee, because they have objection. They believe that this is also a structural, architectural change in the education governance. So there are many bills over which opposition has problem and issues, and they would want to raise it in front of the government, and this is why this all-party meeting is very important ahead of the convening of winter session.
I want you to stay with us.